So Klaus, now we are just standing next to our new HC product, which is hydrocarbon product. It's actually an HCI 2000 because it's with isobutane and we can reach 2 megawatt on this small footprint. It's really interesting. Last time we showed a video on this one, we were at DTI where we were testing. Now we're in the final, I would say, preparation to commercialize this product, and very soon we are selling it. So it's a very exciting moment for us. But Klaus, and why really is it necessary with 2,000 cubic meter compressor compared to the other one, the smaller ones we have with 1,100?
We see a very big demand from data centers and geothermal projects and carbon capture project where you need 10, 15, 20, 30 megawatt projects. And if we were going to do that with 1,100 cubic meter compressors, we would need too many compressors.
This is our secret weapon actually, because there are some features that we are very proud of. But I remember one of them, maybe two of them.
Yeah. One
of them is that we are, with this compressor, we are at a much higher level on the isentropic efficiency. So it's like 8%, 7-8% better. That's just out of my head, but it's really interesting. The other thing is that on this one there is a proportional glider. So it's not step 50, 75, 100, but this is actually stepless capacity glider, which we could use also.
Yeah, and especially in data centers or other places where you don't want too much electrical disruption, where we don't want to have inverter. This is a nice feature because we can still have a very, very smooth operation and smooth capacity control without having a frequency inverter and without actually compromising the COP very much also with this glider.
But this is a single compressor unit. Is it also, as we can do on our smaller units, is it possible to combine more than one compressor?
Yeah. We always do that. I mean, this compressor is perfect for large projects, and we often have 10, 15 units that we need to combine. Often it will be in serials of 3 units per let's say per skid, and then we have our unit looking like this, and then we can actually place another unit next to and another unit next to again, and then connect it outside the cabinet in serial like we do on our smaller units. We can connect them inside the cabinet, but this one is actually much more easy to handle and connect it outside.
And maybe we should walk through it a little bit. Just showing, you can see there are 2 injection valves, liquid injection valves to the 2 evaporators. We have to go with 2 evaporators in this case because of capacity. You can see the 2 condensers, and on top the very large screw compressor. Right now we have the compressor we use for testing. It is at Bitzer to evaluate if they are any wear or whatever that could be.
Yeah.
We tested the compressor in the full envelope, so we really tested it in all the corners. So now we just need to sell a lot of these big hydrocarbon units.